The Simpsons predict Shiba Inu's price on January 5th, 2022. If there's one thing we know about the world of the stock market, it's that it is unpredictable. Literally. Nothing could have prepared you for this, but one beloved cartoon series has predicted what Shiba Inu's price would be on one particular date. We know. We are just as amazed and confused as you are. Let's figure out what that means together. Did you know that The Simpsons have a long withstanding streak of predicting future events? From predicting Donald Trump's presidency to Disney buying Fox Studios, The Simpsons writers must be oracles in hiding. Stay tuned as we uncover the prediction and what it means for your investment in SHIB coins. Watch the video till the end to find that out. This isn't the first time we have suspected The Simpsons writers of being soothsayers. The accuracy with which real-life events happen doesn't leave much room for assuming anything else. And in this space, we'll talk about some of the major events that The Simpsons predicted. Perhaps the most puzzling and universally acclaimed prediction was Donald Trump's presidency. Back in 2016, no one would have believed that an individual with zero experience in politics would come to lead a nation as powerful as the United States. Well, we didn't know, but The Simpsons did. The next one is truly bizarre, even by our standards. The Simpsons made headlines when one of their episodes depicted the tragedy of 9/11, years before the events unfolded that engulfed the Twin Towers. The Simpsons were the eye of public attention when they effectively managed to predict popular Apple features like FaceTime and its smartwatches. That too, decades before that happened. Aside from predicting hyper-specific events that shook the global community, The Simpsons also managed to make a prediction about Vice President Kamala Harris's outfit on Inauguration Day. In an episode, Lisa is seen wearing an exact replica of the pantsuit the VP adorned for her swearing-in ceremony. In August, investors were pleased and surprised by the explosive increase in SHIB coin prices. The price as of now is awaiting massive gains, gaining an almost impressive 45% increase in market value in a short duration of time. As pleasing as this news was, SHIB saw a downturn that made the price fall to new lows. If you're a betting man like we are, like we need to be, when it comes to investing in the stock market, we can expect an impulsive increase in the value of SHIB coins soon. Shiba Inu's price soared again in October 2021, making their market value at $35 billion, and it reached a peak rank of number 10. Right now, SHIB has slipped to number 13. As of December, SHIB has seen a market price increase to 24%, making it worth 38ths of a dollar, or $0.000038. Investors and market gurus are hoping that the number will continue to increase, and thanks to a few rounds of rumors that The Simpsons have predicted the value of SHIB coins, that may bring about the up spike we are all hoping for. Simpsons Shiba Inu coin prediction is doing the rounds on Twitter, but did the show really manage to uphold the tradition of accurate predictions, especially when it comes to everyone's famous canine currency? If The Simpsons is famous for any other country than their longevity, it's that they have been spot on in predicting the future. A show that has spanned 3 decades does raise a few eyebrows, but it's for a good cause that has people scour earlier content to see if they missed something. Thanks to its exemplary track record in predictions, after any major news event, a rumor started circulating on social media, claiming that the price of Shiba Inu was predicted by the long-running sitcom. The digital currency with its biggest promoter, Elon Musk, who dubbed the coin as People's Crypto, has seen new heights in market value with over a 10,000% increase this year, giving users and investors an opportunity to become a millionaire overnight. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin was among one of the lucky ones who became a millionaire from trading SHIB coins. The social media claims come from 2 images from the show. The first is the Shiba Inu coin, symbol a dog, drawn on a whiteboard among other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Litecoin. The other image has a particularly specific frame where Homer, the main character and the patriarch of the Simpsons family, can be seen reading a newspaper with the headline, "Funny dog to make life worthwhile," which many claims are in reference to SHIB coins. The episode aired in February last year. The episode was titled Frink Coin, where Professor Frink invented a cryptocurrency that makes him the richest man alive. That sounds awfully familiar, as it is, but in a true sitcom fashion, hilarity ensures when a competitor tries to make his fortune. Much like the plethora of digital currencies in the market, the similarities are uncanny, and if we know The Simpsons, they likely drew inspiration from real life. Talking about the newspaper headline image, It takes us back to 1997 when the episode originally aired. The dog in the newspaper headline isn't a reference to the digital symbol of Shiba Inu, but rather a character introduced to keep the audiences engaged. As the stock market goes through a general low phase, many are desperate to boost the ratings to make a sound return on their investment. And true or not, many already believe that Simpsons have predicted the value. The belief in itself is enough to propel and breathe fire in the market. The rumors and the onset of the holiday season were enough to see a 1.14% rise in SHIB coin value. Overall, the market is feeling festive with a 24% increase in trading value. But what does that mean for the value of SHIB coins? Will it reach the benchmark of $1? Well, to answer your question, fans and investors and business gurus are divided in opinion. Of course, investors and fans want to see their favorite meme coin increase in value. One thing we are certain of is that there is a long road for Shiba Inu to travel if it wants to be worth $1. Why that is easily understood through Shiba Inu's maximum token supply. Novice traders and fans who built up the hype constantly disrupt the market by buying up stocks. These unpredictable and unusual behaviors by consumers leave experts blindsided who find it difficult to accurately predict where the market will close on a given day. The craze was so intense that if you had purchased SHIB coins on January 1st and you held on to them by the end of this year, you would have made a profit of $1.4 million. Not a bad number for a currency that was introduced as a meme. However, only a few would have gone for the long gain, and many trades for shorter periods of time. The hype made new trends with even skeptics wanting a piece of that cake. Now therein comes the problem. The general rule of supply and demand is that the lesser the supply, the more price will rise. And the more they rise, the less likely they are to return profits, because buying them becomes costlier and not many would want to shell that much amount on something so inherently volatile. Another problem that it has to overcome stems from the maximum tokens in circulation. The maximum number of tokens is capped at 1 quadrillion. This implies that if the coin were to rise to be of equal worth as $1, it would place the digital currency 20 times more than the national GDP of the US economy and 500 times the market value of the entire crypto industry. The number now needs to be multiplied by 11.5 million% if it wants to achieve that high. Needless to say, those numbers seem unachievable with the current conditions. Shiba Inu has become a household name thanks to the constant and high return on investments. However, it has a long way to go if it needs to be in parity with the dollar. Regardless, the future seems bright and experts say it's a rising market. Combine that with recent media hype, we are only going to see an increase in that value. As usual, we must advise you that these figures are based on extensive research and we don't mean to give financial advice. Our videos and content are informative in nature and should be taken as such. Always do thorough research before investing your money. Well, that's it for this video, guys. We surveyed the current trend and how the rumors relate to it. Be sure to subscribe if you want to receive more of this type of content to your dashboard. I'll see you next time at Shiba Inu Coins. Bye and have a wonderful day.